Welcome back to Basic General Knowledge Voice Podcast. Let's dive into something fascinating today: how to master general knowledge in the most efficient way possible. Building your GK isn't just about memorizing random facts. It's about understanding the world around us in a way that actually sticks. Think of your brain as a library. We need to organize information in a way that makes it easy to find later. The secret? Break it down into manageable chunks. Learning room. Start with current affairs. Spend just 30 minutes each day reading the news. It's like adding new books to your library, one small section at a time. Here's a fun trick I use. Create mental stories. Let's say you're trying to remember world capitals. Instead of just memorizing Tokyo is the capital of Japan, imagine a giant toki, time clock, in the middle of a bustling Japanese city. These visual connections make facts stick like glue. Now let's talk about study materials. Mix it up. Use newspapers, apps, and even YouTube channels. It's like having different flavors of ice cream. Why stick to just vanilla when you can have a variety? Apps like GKToday and Testbook are like having a personal tutor in your pocket. Here's something most people don't realize. Static GK, things like history and geography, follow patterns. For example, when studying Indian freedom fighters, look for connections. Many leaders were educated abroad, came back, and started local movements. Finding these patterns helps you remember multiple facts at once. And here's my favorite part: mnemonics. Remember the planets with "My very educated mother just served us noodles." Create your own funny sentences for other topics. The sillier, the better, because our brains remember unusual things more easily. Make it social. Join study groups or online communities. It's like having a book club but for knowledge. When you discuss facts with others, they transform from boring data into interesting conversations. One last golden tip: create a ritual. Maybe it's reading the newspaper with your morning coffee, or doing a quick quiz before bed. Consistency is key. Just like watering a plant daily helps it grow. Remember, improving your general knowledge isn't a sprint. It's a delightful journey of discovery. Take it one interesting fact at a time, and before you know it, you'll be amazed at how much you've learned. Please follow for more interesting general knowledge video podcasts where we make learning fun and memorable together.